Hi, my name is Sarah Smith, and this is an example of an introduction video. So during week 1, I am asking you to record and upload an introduction video where you tell me and your classmates a little bit about yourself. So this is both academic in the classroom and personal. So there is a handout that's available in the week 1 folder where you can find more information on the expectations of this introduction video. I do want to hear a little bit about you academically as well as personally. That more personal information helps us to get to know you a little bit better. With an asynchronous course, it can be difficult to feel connected with your classmates and with your instructor, and sometimes these videos can help to bridge that gap a little bit. So if you need help on what that should look like, the handout can help with that. So 2 to 3 minutes is what you are shooting for. Mine's going to be longer than that because giving an explanation and I like to talk, so that's how it goes. But you don't need to talk as long as I do. 2 to 3 minutes is all I'm looking for. So a little bit about me. I'm originally from Greeley, Colorado, which is just north of Denver. That's where I grew up and graduated from high school. After high school, I moved to Helena, Montana and attended Carroll College, which is a small school, and I got my bachelor's degree in English education. And with that, I taught both middle school and high school in Colorado and Montana. And I taught high school in Bozeman, Montana, and during that time, I also coached speech and debate, and I really enjoyed my time coaching. And so when we moved to Fairbanks in 2010, I decided to get my master's degree in communication. And I hoped that that would give me a chance to teach public speaking, and that's sort of what led to where I am now. So I teach a few classes throughout the school year, usually 2 per semester in the fall and spring, and those are usually in person on campus, and then I teach an asynchronous course during the summer. So I teach as an adjunct, which means that I am not a full-time employee. I show up and teach my classes, and then I do my other stuff in my life, which for me includes being a stay-at-home mom. So I have 2 kids. I have a 10-year-old son and a 7-year-old daughter, and I'm married. My husband works full-time. He works for Fish and Game, and we have a 5-year-old golden retriever who thinks he's a puppy. So our summers are filled with playing because the kids are home with me full-time, which is one of the reasons that I have decided to do asynchronous in the summer because our schedule is too crazy to try to be in person for those classes. Plus, we like to play in the summer. I'm sure that many of you can relate to that, taking an asynchronous course in the summer so you can still work or, do your playing that we do in Alaska during the summers. We are a pretty outdoorsy family. My kids both got new mountain bikes this summer, so we're spending lots of time doing the single track trails around town and just riding to different areas. We like to go to Goose Lake. The kids have kayaks. We like to go down to the Kenai and raft and fish. When it's not summertime, we do lots of snow machining and skiing and those types of things. Both of my kids play hockey, so a lot of our time is spent at the rink. I would like to say only in the winter, but that's not true. We spend time at the rink all year long. So yeah, that's a big part of our life is playing hockey. Not me, the kids. And I like to read a lot, do some crafting, but mainly we're in the stage of life of chasing kids around. So that's what I do when I'm not teaching these classes. And one of the reasons that I do the asynchronous in the summer is so that we can play during the day, and then you'll get emails from me very early in the morning or late at night when I have time to grade and look through your assignments. So if you email me, you can expect to hear back from me within 24 hours so that I can answer any questions that you may have. If it is the weekend, it might take a little bit longer because we do tend to leave town on the weekends. So please be patient with me as I get back to you on the emails. So as you can see, I shared a little bit of information about my background and what led to me teaching this class, and then a little bit of personal information so you can get to know me a little bit better. So feel free to share whatever you feel comfortable sharing. When it comes to the personal information, you don't need to go super in depth, but it does help to build connections with me and your classmates. Okay, I hope you have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions regarding this introduction video.